Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to fix Fitbit not syncing with Strava. Are you having trouble that your Fitbit account is not syncing with Strava? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps. Open your Strava app. Go to the Use section and click on Settings. Scroll down till you find Logout. Log out of the app and log in after a few minutes. Most of the time, a simple logging out and logging in will help you fix this issue. 2. Reconnect accounts and sync tracker. Try reconnecting your accounts and syncing your Fitbit tracker and waiting for about an hour. Most of the time, disconnecting and reconnecting your Fitbit will help you solve the issue. 2. Check GPS data. Ensure that you are recording exercise with GPS data on your Fitbit, as only exercise with GPS will be sent to Strava. 4. Use the web browser method. Open the dedicated web page on your PC, Mac or phone browser. Log into your Strava account there. Authorize the connection and follow the prompts to sync Fitbit and Strava. 4. Update Fitbit software. Check for any available updates for your Fitbit device and apply them, as some users have reported that updating their Fitbit device resolved the syncing issues with Strava. 5. Manual workaround. If the official sync is not working, you can manually input your Fitbit GPS data into your Strava account as a temporary fix. Even after doing all this, if you are still not able to find a solution, it's better that you contact Strava customer support.